Hi everyone, here at CES 2017.
CES 2017.
CES 2018.
This year's Collision Conference.
We're checking out this innovative technology.
The latest tech.
The Moon virtual headset, where there's a lot of drones.
And they even have robots.
So the thing about it is, it gives you the experience of an IMAX theater in your personal home.
Once you put the Moon 3D Virtual Mobile Theater on, the outside world ceases to exist. Truly, there is no other product on the market like it.
These kind of robotic arms are usually stationary, but we're making it possible to have it move around like this inside warehouses. It can operate for 8 hours. Basically covers the workload of a human being for an entire day.
My personal favorite is a drone from Zerotech, which is the Dobby Pocket Drone.
You can toss it in the air and have it follow you around on a bike ride, a hike, or even just to take a selfie.
So our company is Selfie, the edible photo booth. We're live at events. We print your guests' faces onto cookies, iced coffee, iced tea, and a bunch of other consumables. We've totally rebranded what pizza face means because we have printed somebody's face on pizza.
Our company, Avatar Mind, we make the iPal robot, which is a fully functional humanoid robot with many capabilities. Our applications are children in education, elder care, retail hospitality, and we offer a developer version.
These combined technologies have and will continue to improve our lives in one way or another. Not to mention, they can just be a whole lot of fun.
From the Las Vegas Bureau, I'm Anna Kui.
I'm Jonathan Nguyen.
I'm Aleck, your tech correspondent, and I am 1 with 25.
1 to 25.
1 with 25.
Thanks for watching this video. Make sure you give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel right over here. And if you like this video, make sure you check out our Digital Nest curated playlist over here.